Yo, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Unnati. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, for people who know me and for people who don't, hi, my name is Unnati Malhakar. क्या बोलते हैं इसका आगे? Still trying very hard to get used to my intro. I hope you all can get used to it as well. Now coming back to this video, 2 साल का gap क्यों? Why were you not active? Why are you not posting videos on YouTube? क्यों? I used to get a lot of these questions in all my DMs and all my comments. It was just everywhere. So I thought, why not make a video and let you all know why was I not so very active on YouTube. So I'm going to talk for a while. I hope I do not bore you all in any way. I'll try my level best to not do that, but or if you all want, you all can just skip to the later part of this video. But I would really appreciate if you could see this, because I really want to let out what I actually felt. Why was I not very active out here? I don't really know where to start this from, so let's go back to the very beginning. I started this page almost 2 years back. Not almost, like literally 2 years back, because the first video which I posted was on 21st May 2018. Yes. After that I posted a couple of more dancing videos, but then I just stopped. I ghosted everyone. I stopped posting videos without giving any answers to anybody, and I just disappeared like. And वो justify करने के लिए I would like to tell you all a personality trait about myself. I am a person who puts all her heart into whatever she does. If my heart is not involved in it, I just don't do it. I don't continue doing that. Or even if I made that choice, I drop out of it, and I just don't do that if my heart is not involved. Be it as small as a conversation with someone or as big as life decisions. So if my heart doesn't feel right, if it doesn't feel right to me, I just don't do it. I don't continue doing that. So that's what happened when I opened this page. I did not feel that I'm giving my 100% in it, and I did not want to give my half-minded attention to this very platform. So I stopped, and yeah. Another point would be, I don't want to limit my page to just dancing videos. I wanted you all to see more than just a girl who dances. I wanted you all to know the real me. मैं चाहती थी कि आप मुझे जानो, मेरी life के बारे में जानो. Come along with me in my life and experience whatever I experience in life. And at that time, I did not feel confident enough to, pursue that. I did not feel that, I could talk in front of a camera or, be myself in front of you all. Because what happened was, I started worrying. I started getting this fear into myself that what if I'm not doing enough? What if I'm doing it wrong? What if I look like an amateur? All of these thoughts started rushing into my mind, and in real life I'm like completely different. I'm the least one to be bothered by anything, or their opinions about me, or what do they think about me, if it's in a negative way or whatever. I don't care about that. I would like you all to know for a fact that I got this camera almost 1.5 years back. I even vlogged one video. I even edited that video. That video was final, but when I saw that video, it felt like a very filtered version of me, trying to be what people would want me to be. So I deleted that video. I scrapped that video all out, and because I didn't want you all to see me that way. I wanted you all to see the real me. I wanted you all to see who Unnati really is. So that fear actually started taking over me, and I really did not want that, or whatever negative comments that I get. I am the least one to be bothered by that. This thing was changing that in me, and I did not want that. It took me a lot to become the person that I am today, and I wouldn't give that away for anything in this whole world. I wasn't like this before. I used to be bothered by every little thing. I used to be bothered by the smallest possible thing, and gradually in life, with experiences, of course, I had to change that about myself. So that happened, and I wouldn't give that away for anything in the whole entire world. and this vlogging thing was changing that, so I just stopped. I did not want you all to see that filtered version of myself. I wanted you all to see the real Unnati Malharkar. After that, what happened was I still don't think that I'm confident enough to, you know, pull this off or whatever. But in this lockdown, I shot a couple of videos for my friends. I mean, I was still pretty scared to shoot those videos as well, but you know, my friends asked me to do that, and I would do anything for them. Like, even if I was scared, I would, you know, try it out because I love them from the bottom of my heart. So I shot those videos, and trust me, I was very nervous when I even did those. But I mean, the love that you all showed on those videos is mainly the reason why I'm even shooting this right now. The love that you guys have showered me there with is something that has motivated me to another level. I was going to shoot a proper intro video for this, but trust me, I wouldn't have this any other way because this feels so much more connecting to you all. It just feels right to do this right now. So the conclusion is so the conclusion is, I don't think I'll ever be ready enough or confident enough to start this channel, but I know for a fact that I've got your love, I've got your support, and trust me, that has driven me to do this today, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I wanted all that dramatic intro and all of that, but this feels right. This feels coming straight from my heart, and I wouldn't have it. Trust me, I wouldn't have it any other way. So if you've reached this part of the video, thank you for listening to me. I hope that I've answered all of your questions. I hope that I don't disappoint you all this time. I hope that this goes well. I love you guys, and just plain thank you. I don't have any other words to, you know, justify this, so just thank you. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get to the second part of this video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Oh wait, I've already done this. Now directly hopping on to the video. You know, there are those days where you really want to wear this particular pajama, but you can't find it because your wardrobe is in a mess. So you end up getting so angry at yourself. So that happened with me. I really wanted that pajama. This really hurts, and I couldn't find it, and it really, you know, bothered me a lot. So I thought it's high time that I cleaned my wardrobe. So since I'm starting fresh even with my YouTube, I thought, why not start with a fresh wardrobe? Oh god, who am I kidding? I really needed some motivation, you guys. I thought this would really help. So yeah, that's it. Kuch fresh kuch nahi. I knew it! And since y'all know that I'm always up at night, I don't really sleep at night, I thought that ये lockdown का एक night out तो at least मैं useful बना लूँ. I really don't suggest y'all guys, please don't stay up, please sleep at night. This is just something which I need to get rid of myself. I've set up different alarms on my phone, and those alarms are my breaks. Like thoda breather मेरे लिए. What I've done is I've allotted different activities on every alarm, which you will get to know when that alarm goes off. So my first alarm goes off at 11. I think there's 10-15 minutes left for that. So yeah, I'm excited. Not really. Scared. So it's almost 11 o'clock, and that's when I start this challenge, and the alarm goes off in 5, 4, 3, 2. So what I'm going to show you all right now is garbage. Huh? Because that's exactly how my wardrobe looks right now, and I don't think I could define it any other way. ये है ना, मैं सच्ची बोल रही हूँ, ये लॉकडाउन की वजह से मैं बच गई हूँ, बिकॉज मेरी माँ मुझे घर के बाहर चप्पल मार के फेंक देती, because I had to clean my wardrobe way before this lockdown even happened, and 2 महीने हो गए lockdown को, and I've still not cleaned even a bit of it till now. Thank you lockdown, love you. Let's show you all my wardrobe. Please don't disown me after this. Like I'm serious. Don't judge me or disown me, please. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली डबल थॉट्स आ गई हूँ कि मुझे करना चाहिए कि नहीं, बट नो, I am very motivated right now. I am going to clean this up. Let's hope that. So I'm going to start with this half of my wardrobe because ये थोड़ा कम दिख रहा है उसके comparatively. Why do I have two wardrobes? Because I used to share this room with my sister earlier, and then she got married. The wardrobe was the happiest part about her getting married. I get 2 whole wardrobes to myself. That was the best part. Thanks for getting married, sister. I don't even know if I'm ready for this, but let's go. Can't believe I'm doing this. I'm going to regret this big time. पिचुक गई है ये बैग अंदर. Hanger का बाद में. Let's focus on this first. Never worn this dress ever. Where was this? I think मुझे आज खजाना मिलने वाला है अंदर. Make a wish, you guys. So this is done and it's time to remove my second drawer. This is my top section and here it goes. लगा तूफान आ गया कोई. I don't know why I can't stop smiling today.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
God punish me. You know, there are those clothes you keep just for memories. So this is one of them. This is my first Sharma gear when I was like really very little. I don't think I'm ever going to throw this away. One of those special things in my wardrobe. I just found a brand new dress again. ये क्या treasure box है? I've not worn this even once. Wow. ऐसा लग रहा है न्यू क्लोथ्स की शॉपिंग हो गई है मेरी लॉकडाउन में. ये पहन के कर लूँ क्लीनिंग.
It's her choice.
Of course.
Yeah?
बहुत क्यूट लगी मुझे ये. So it's 12:30, you guys. I don't know if you can hear it. ये इतना कम क्यों हो गया इसका वॉल्यूम? It's time for my first break, which is my dinner break. Yes, I have my dinner pretty late. Even my lunch ka timing is very late. I have my lunch at around 5:36. Please don't follow this routine. It's very bad. I'm trying to get rid of it myself. But अब time है कुछ भोजन करने का. My mom is an angel. We're excited to taste this. It's very hot, but cry, this is so tasty. Love it. So I'm going to finish this quickly and I will be back once I'm done with this. I'm done with my delicious dinner and I'm back at cleaning again. I am going to take out the next drawer and start folding my clothes, but my next alarm goes off at 2 a.m. So my floor is empty for now, but not for very long because more clothes on the way. Few of my sister's clothes are in here because out of 2 wardrobes I need to give like at least half a drawer to my sister for, you know, whenever she comes. But my mom is, you know, very मेरी बेटी कभी तो आएगी घर पे रहने को, उसके कपड़े कहाँ रखेगी वो. So half of the drawer I have to, you know, keep my sister's stuff out there. But फेंक दूँ क्या मैं हनी? सच्ची फेंक दूँगी मैं सब कुछ. इरिटेट हो गई हूँ मैं तेरे कपड़ों से यहाँ पे. Just go away from my life, yeah. Can't wait for 2 a.m. का alarm clock to go off. That step is really needed right now. It's 2 a.m. Time for me to get rid of my makeup finally. My face felt so yucky. I was waiting for this step and I really need to get rid of my makeup right now. Quickly going to show you all my nighttime skin routine, which is not a lot, but this is what I always do. quickly going to remove my makeup, wash my face with a face wash and be right back. Next thing that I'm going to do is use this Pixi Glow Tonic. So the next product that I'm going to use is this serum, this company called The Ordinary. Please focus. Yes, this is something that I use before my makeup as well as a primer. It's really good if you like use it every single day. Can't really see, I'm andhi without my mirror. After this, I usually moisturize my skin. I use this Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. It works wonders for me. And last but not the least, I was waiting to wear these. I can't wear these when I have my makeup on because it leaves that mark on my face. अब फिर से साफ सफाई का time. Oh, freaking nightmare. You know, you always have this space where you just dump things, like whatever is on your bed, you just dump it out there. So this part of my wardrobe is that I just, whatever I see on the bed, I just dump it in here. Let me know in the comment section if you too have this certain space where you know, just dump everything up. Let me know what it is. I need more ideas. I can't keep dumping things here. Jute in my wardrobe. Peanut butter. Yoga bar. कौन रखता है ये सब wardrobe में? So I'm quickly going to get done with this bit. My next alarm goes off at 4 AM. Cannot wait. My next break is going to start very soon, anytime now. I need to use this break very wisely because this is my last break now. It's 4 AM. Snack time. बहुत क्रिएटिव चीज बनाने वाली हूँ मैं. आप सोचोगे कि 4 बजे ये बना रही है उन्नति. धीरे बात कर रही हूँ right now. I got scared. मेरे खुद से shadow shit.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
यार कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मैगी 2 मिनट में बन गई? You know, Maggie is the main jud of having trust issues in life. 2 मिनट बोल के 2 मिनट में नहीं पकती है. Going to finish my snack and get back to cleaning my wardrobe because I've started it and I've created all this mess, so I better finish it before I sleep. You won't believe what I just found. This t-shirt was my mom's. I don't know if I have that picture yet or no, but I'll attach it somewhere where she's wearing this t-shirt. 20-year-old t-shirt. This is another one of those memory special clothing that you have in your closet. Oh, special for me. Socks. Shit, पर बाहर तो जा नहीं रहा. कहाँ पहनूंगी ये? So it's 5:30 right now and I've finally finished cleaning my entire wardrobe. Fun fact, जो पजामे के लिए मैंने ये पूरा क्लीनिंग सेशन स्टार्ट किया था वही पजामा मुझे नहीं मिला. Even after cleaning my whole wardrobe, this mission will continue. I need those pajamas. I'm really tired after shooting all of this. I'm just going to lay down a bit and watch something because that's what I do. I need to watch something before I go off to sleep. It's almost 5:35 right now. I still don't sleep. I sleep pretty late. I sleep by like 6:30. Don't do that, kids. Okay. Don't sleep on time. So if you liked this video, oh god, I can't believe I'm saying this. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what type of videos would you all want to watch on my channel. I would love to shoot those and yes, I will see you next time. So this is Unnati signing off. Peace.